The Enigmatic Wanderer. Part 1, Unveiling Mystery. In the bustling city of Viridian, where skyscrapers reached for the clouds and the streets buzzed with activity, there lived a girl named Amora. Unlike the ordinary denizens of the city, Amora was a mystery wrapped in an enigma, her presence evoking curiosity and intrigue wherever she went. With raven black hair that cascaded in untamed waves down her back and eyes the color of stormy seas, Amora possessed an otherworldly beauty that seemed to defy explanation. But it wasn't just her appearance that set her apart, it was the air of mystery that surrounded her, like an invisible cloak shielding her from prying eyes. Despite her penchant for solitude, Amora found solace in the labyrinthine streets of Viridian, where she wandered aimlessly, lost in her thoughts. She had a keen eye for the extraordinary, often discovering hidden gems tucked away in the most unexpected corners of the city. One day, as she meandered through a quaint alleyway adorned with vibrant street art, Amora stumbled upon a curious bookstore nestled between two towering buildings. Intrigued by the promise of adventure lurking within its walls, she pushed open the creaky door and stepped inside. The interior of the bookstore was a treasure trove of literary wonders, with shelves overflowing with books of every genre imaginable. As Amora perused the aisles, her fingers trailing over the spines of ancient tomes and modern classics, she felt a sense of belonging wash over her, a feeling she hadn't experienced in a long time. Lost in the sea of words that surrounded her, Amora was startled by the sound of footsteps approaching from behind. Turning around, she found herself face to face with the owner of the bookstore, a kindly old man with twinkling eyes and a warm smile. "Welcome, young traveler," he greeted her, his voice as soothing as a gentle breeze. "What brings you to my humble abode?" Amora hesitated for a moment, unsure of how to respond. She wasn't used to opening up to strangers, but there was something about the old man's demeanor that put her at ease. "I'm just exploring," she replied finally, her voice barely above a whisper. The old man nodded understandingly, his eyes twinkling with a hint of amusement. "Ah, an explorer of the unknown, are you? Well, you've come to the right place. This bookstore holds secrets untold and stories yet to be discovered." With a wave of his hand, he gestured toward the shelves, inviting Amora to lose herself in the world of words that awaited her. And as she delved deeper into the maze of books, Amora couldn't shake the feeling that she was on the brink of a great adventure, one that would change her life forever. Part 2, The Unfolding Journey. In the days that followed her discovery of the mysterious bookstore, Amora found herself drawn back to its welcoming embrace time and time again. Each visit brought new revelations and unexpected encounters, deepening her connection to the world within its walls. As she delved deeper into the labyrinthine aisles, Amora unearthed hidden gems that spoke to her soul, tales of adventure, romance, and mystery that ignited her imagination and fueled her thirst for knowledge. With each book she devoured, she felt a part of herself awakening, as if she were unraveling the layers of her own existence. But amidst the tranquility of the bookstore, a restlessness stirred within Amora, a yearning for something more, something beyond the confines of Viridian's bustling streets. She longed to explore the world beyond the city limits, to roam the vast expanse of the unknown and discover what lay beyond the horizon. Driven by her insatiable curiosity, Amora set out on a journey of self-discovery, venturing into uncharted territory with nothing but a backpack and a heart full of wanderlust. With each step she took, the weight of the city fell away, replaced by a sense of freedom and exhilaration that she had never known before. Along the way, Amora encountered a myriad of characters, a nomadic poet with a penchant for storytelling, a wise old sage who spoke in riddles, and a group of free-spirited travelers who danced beneath the stars. Each encounter left its mark on her soul, shaping her perception of the world and her place within it. But it was during a chance encounter with a fellow wanderer, a kindred spirit who shared her thirst for adventure, that Amora's journey took an unexpected turn. Their meeting was like something out of a fairy tale, a serendipitous collision of two souls destined to find each other amidst the chaos of the world. Together, they embarked on a whirlwind adventure, traversing mountains and valleys, forests and deserts, as they chased the horizon in search of the unknown. With each passing day, their bond deepened, until it became clear that they were more than just fellow travelers, they were kindred spirits, bound together by a shared sense of wanderlust and a longing for freedom. But as they journeyed deeper into the heart of the unknown, Amora couldn't shake the feeling that their time together was fleeting, that their paths were destined to diverge as quickly as they had converged. And when the time came for them to part ways, she knew that a piece of her heart would always belong to him, a reminder of the fleeting beauty of the journey and the timeless power of love. As she watched him disappear into the horizon, Amora felt a bittersweet ache in her chest, a mixture of sadness at their parting and gratitude for the memories they had shared. And as she turned her gaze toward the horizon once more, she knew that her journey was far from over, that the world was vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and that she was just getting started. Part 3: The Return Home. After bidding farewell to her fellow traveler, Amora found herself standing at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take next. Though her journey had been exhilarating and transformative, a part of her longed for the familiar comforts of home, the winding streets of Viridian, the scent of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air, and the quiet solitude of her favorite bookstore. With a sense of resolve burning in her heart, Amora made the decision to return to the city she had once called home, eager to embrace the next chapter of her life with open arms. But as she journeyed back to Viridian, she couldn't shake the feeling that she was returning as a changed woman, a traveler who had ventured to the ends of the earth and back, only to find that home was where the heart truly belonged. Upon her arrival in Viridian, Amora was greeted with open arms by the familiar faces she had left behind. Her friends welcomed her back with smiles and laughter, eager to hear tales of her adventures and the wonders she had encountered along the way. But amidst the warmth of their embrace, a sense of restlessness lingered in Amora's soul, a yearning for something more than the ordinary rhythms of city life. She longed to share her newfound wisdom with those around her, to inspire others to chase their dreams and embrace the unknown with courage and conviction. Determined to make a difference, Amora embarked on a new journey, one of self-discovery and personal growth. She poured herself into her passions, using her experiences as a traveler to fuel her creativity and inspire those around her. Whether through her writing, her artwork, or her heartfelt conversations with friends and strangers alike, Amora sought to leave a lasting impact on the world around her, a legacy of love, adventure, and boundless possibility. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Amora found herself once again immersed in the rhythm of city life. But this time, it was different. She no longer felt confined by the walls of Viridian or the expectations of those around her. Instead, she embraced each day as a new opportunity for growth and exploration, knowing that the world was vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And as she stood in the doorway of her favorite bookstore, the scent of old books mingling with the sound of bustling city streets, Amora knew that she had come full circle, that her journey had led her back to the place where it all began. But this time, she was not the same girl who had wandered aimlessly through its aisles so many months ago. She was stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever to make her mark on the world, to leave behind a legacy of love and adventure that would endure long after she was gone. And as she stepped out into the bustling streets of Viridian, her heart full of hope and her spirit ablaze with possibility, Amora knew that her journey was far from over, that the road ahead was filled with endless adventures waiting to be lived, and that she was ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead with courage, grace, and an unwavering sense of wonder. Summary. The enigmatic wanderer chronicles the captivating journey of Amora, a mysterious and adventurous soul, through the bustling city of Viridian and beyond. Intrigued by her enigmatic presence, Amora's exploration leads her to a hidden bookstore, sparking a transformative journey of self-discovery. Venturing into uncharted territory, Amora embraces the freedom of the open road, encountering kindred spirits and discovering the transformative power of love along the way. Yet, amidst the exhilaration of her travels, she grapples with the fleeting nature of connection and the bittersweet beauty of goodbye. Returning home to Viridian, Amora embarks on a journey of personal growth, determined to leave a lasting impact on the world around her. Through her adventures, she discovers that true fulfillment lies not only in the pursuit of the unknown but also in the journey back to oneself. The Enigmatic Wanderer is a tale of love, adventure, and self-discovery, a reminder of the beauty of embracing the unknown and the enduring strength of the human spirit.